guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are going to be unboxing a Halloween box from Makartt. So let's just open this right up. Okay, so this is everything I see when I first open up the box. We first have some Halloween glitters. Then we have some Halloween stickers. Okay, and next we have some Halloween charms. Okay, next we have some black and white gel polish. Now we have some duets, which are like two different gel polishes. The first color is called chocolate. And the next color is wine. And here are the next two colors. We first have yellow. And we have tea. Next we have some gel polishes. Okay, and the last two things we have here are some polygels. The first one is called Cosmo Black, and these are some pretty big tubes right here. This is just in comparison to one of their other polygel kits. And the next color is called Stellar Red. So here are the two polygels you get. This black one kind of has like red, blue, and like purple and a little bit of gold glitter in here. And then this red has like really fine glitters in it, as well as some chunky glitters. That is it for the unboxing. Let's just get right into this nail set. So we're first going to start off by pushing back the cuticles, you know, just doing the normal nail prep. Next, I'm going to be trimming off that excess dead skin with my cuticle scissors, and then I'm going to be shortening my nails with my nail clippers. And then I'm just going to smooth out the free edge of the nails. Now I'm going to take my nail tips. I'm using these long stiletto nail tips, and I'm just going to size them all out. But before I glue them on, I'm going to be adding on my peel off base coat, which is just some cuticle oil rubbed on my nails and then some top coat over that. And this helps the nails pop off really easily. Since I've been doing a lot of nail sets, I've been using this peel off base coat and it has worked really well. And then I'm just going to take my KDS glue and I'm just going to glue on all these nail tips. Once I have the nail tips all glued on, I'm just going to be reshaping them. And then I'm going to take my sanding band and I'm just going to remove the shine from all the nail tips. Then I'm going to add on some base coat. Now once all the nail prep is done, we're going to be starting on the polygel. The color we're going to be using today is called Cosmo Black. I just really wanted to do a black nail set, honestly. I just wanted to do a simple Halloween nail set, and obviously black is the color to go for. This black has like gold, blue, red, pink shimmer in it, and I really like that. It's like black but also has, you know, other colored glitters, which I really do like. The first nail we're going to be doing is the pointer finger, and I'm just going to do a full nail of this black glitter polygel. And then onto my middle finger, I'm going to be doing an ombre. So we're going to start at the tip of the nail. I'm just adding some base coat on. And then I'm going to be sticking in these Halloween glitters. And I'm doing that same thing for the ring fingernail. And then onto the pinky nail, I'm just doing another full nail of that black. And then on the ombre nails, I'm just putting a bead of that near the cuticle area, and then I'm going to blend that up into the glitters. I suggest putting like a layer of base coat over the glitters once you applied them, but I forgot to, and then one of my glitters fell off, but it got covered up anyway from the black polygel. I recommend you add a layer of base coat on top of the glitters before you start adding on the polygel. A little bit of a shorter video for you guys today. In October, I'm planning to do like a little bit more videos than, you know, usual, because there's just so many Halloween sets that I want to do, like so many. So I feel like 2 videos a week is just not going to be enough for the amount of nail sets I want to do. During Halloween, I know I normally do a like Halloween intro, which I will do starting in October. I'll definitely have a Halloween intro. I'm excited to make it. I have a couple ideas for what the Halloween intro is gonna be. So on the ombre nails, I'm just encapsulating them with some clear polygel. And then onto the thumbnail, I'm just doing a full nail of the black glitter polygel. I really wanted to do a nail set using both the black glitter and the red glitter polygel, but I had an idea for that, but I wanted to do that nail set on like extra long nails. So I just decided to go a little bit more simple for this nail set. I feel like this nail set is a good like transition into Halloween, you know? Alright, so once all the polygel is applied, we're going to be reshaping these nails. I have my Makartt dust collector and my hand file, and yeah, we're just going to be reshaping. So if you are interested in the polygels that I used today, the information for that will be in the description, but the most important thing that I want to tell you guys right now is that Makartt is having a Halloween clearance sale. You can get up to 50% off select items, and there's just so much stuff. If you were saving up and waiting for the right time to buy some polygel kits, now is the time. There are so many polygel kits that are 50% off on the Makartt website right now. Make sure you go check it out before things start selling out, because 50% off is a steal. I mean, most of these polygel kits are around $20 now, so that's really good. Make sure you guys go check it out right now. The link for the Makartt website will be in my description. You can also use the code nailsbyvic for an additional 15% off if you are waiting to save some money. If you are waiting for a sale, now is the time. So yeah, information for it will be in the description. I highly recommend you go check out the sale. And if you guys are interested in the Halloween box that I have, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for information on a giveaway. I know I just did a giveaway, but I mean, who's complaining for a giveaway? I don't think anyone is. Another giveaway in this video. Make sure you stay tuned till the end. Alright, so once we have the nails shaped, I'm going to be adding on the skull and crossbone nail charm. I just think it fit really well with the set. I'm just adding on some rhinestone gel, and then I'm adding top coat over that, and then I'm sticking in the charm. I like this charm because it was like kind of bigger than my nail, so I think it just looked really good and it fit there well. We're going to be adding on some top coat. Also, if you guys have any Halloween nail sets that you really want me to try, please DM me on Instagram. Like, there's just so many nail sets. Just let me know which ones you want to see. So after the top coat, we're just going to be adding on some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. These are just so cute. I feel very festive. I feel very ready for Halloween, and I love the sparkle in this glitter. I just loved everything that came in this Makartt box, and I just love the way this nail set turned out. It kind of looks like vampire nails because like the pointer finger and the pinky finger are like full nails, and then the two middle nails are like, you know, kind of short with the ombre. I hope that makes sense, but it kind of reminds me of like the vampire nails. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed the first Halloween nail set. I will be back with a lot more Halloween videos. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye! Okay, it's giveaway time. If you guys are interested in winning this Makartt Halloween box and all the Halloween goodies that come in it, you get polygels, a lot of gel polishes, even more gel polishes, and some Halloween nail decorations. So if that sounds good to you, the rules are very simple. It is very similar to my last giveaway. I like to do just some simple giveaways. Unfortunately, you will need an Instagram. So here are the rules. Follow me on Instagram, follow Makartt on Instagram, and answer this question in the comments of this video. What is going to be your Halloween costume this year? And if you're not dressing up for Halloween, you can just say what Halloween costume you would wear or what you would want to wear. And if you don't celebrate Halloween, you can just say why you would want this kit. Make sure you leave your Instagram in your comment. Please make sure you leave your Instagram in your comment. That is the only way I can contact you, is if you leave your Instagram in your comment, okay? So yeah, there's only 4 rules. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Makartt on Instagram, leave an answer to any of these questions, and please make sure you leave your Instagram in your comment. This is going to be a short giveaway. This giveaway is going to end on October 1st because I want the winner to be able to get this box in a timely manner, you know, before Halloween. So yeah, the giveaway is going to be ending on October 1st. After that, that's it. The giveaway is over. So yeah, make sure you enter if you are interested, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!